In a creaky old mansion where even the shadows yawned, lived Boo, the ghost who couldn't scare. Every night, Boo practiced his boo, but it came out more like a polite hiccup. Not even the mice took him seriously. So he drifted through dusty halls, feeling smaller than his own echo. But one stormy night, someone much scarier showed up. Boo tried to scream, then accidentally sneezed. The demon shrieked louder than all the souls in the basement. Every ghost in the mansion peeked out to see the tiny terror who slimed a demon. For the first time ever, Boo finally scared someone. Guess he just needed a little spirit.